All right, so I'm going to show you how to set up MLA format in a Microsoft Word document from the iPad because it looks a little bit different than if you're going to do it on a computer. So from your iPad, just go to the Microsoft Word app, or if you use the web-based version, that's fine too. I like the app a little bit more. So you'll open that up, you'll go to the new tab over here on the left-hand side and just choose blank document, and it will open up a new document that looks like this in Microsoft Word. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to head over to the font over here. Okay, so click on that, and then you're going to have to scroll for a while down to the T's to get to Times New Roman. So scroll until you find Times New Roman. You will click on Times New Roman. Okay. You also want to change the font size to 12. You also want to double space. So if you see this button over here, it has some lines and a paintbrush. If you click on this, this is the paragraph formatting, so you can see you can align to the left, center, right. You can justify it. You can put an indent. We're going to go to line spacing right now, so just click on the line spacing and then scroll down to 2.0. 2.0 is going to be the double space that you need. Okay, so you have Times New Roman, 12-point font, the lines with the paintbrush, down to line spacing. Make sure you have 2.0 selected, and then it'll just automatically do it. We also need to insert a header. So we're going to go to Insert, and there's this button that has a page and there's a number sign on it. We're going to click on that. And we want our page number to be in the top right. So you can just click on top right and tap out of it, and it'll be there. You're supposed to put your last name in front of the page number, but it's almost impossible to get your cursor to go in front of the number on an iPad in Microsoft Word for whatever reason, so we're just going to skip that step. So just make sure you have the page number in the top right corner. So you see this line that says header, go straight across. You want to make sure before you type anything that you click out of that. Okay, so if you double tap on your number, the line will appear. Just tap anywhere below it, right underneath it on the page, and that will go away. So here is where you are going to type in your information. So you want to list your first name and the last name. You're going to hit enter or return, and you're going to do my name. Then you're going to do our class. And finally the date, and the date is written day, month, year, so you'll do the due date, so it will be 24 as the day, November as the month, and then the year. Okay, you can hit enter again so that you can be below that next line. Go back to your home tab. Go back to the paragraph formatting button, the line with the paintbrush. You want to center your text and type a creative title here. Okay, so once you have your title typed out, you'll hit enter again. Go back to the lines with the paintbrush for paragraph formatting and align it back to the left. So now you are ready to type your essay. Please remember to indent every new paragraph. So the indent button on the screen is right above the Q with the arrow pointing in to the line. If you tap that, that's how you indent. There's also a tab button on your keyboard if you're using the keyboard that comes with your iPad. So then you just start typing your essay. Better than I just did that. Whenever you are ready to go to a new paragraph, make sure you hit return or enter, and then indent again. Remember, you should have 5 paragraphs. Okay, so make sure you go through these steps to make sure that you get your MLA formatting correct. Let me know if you have any questions.